The Ghosts of Versailles is an opera in 2 acts, with music by John Corigliano to an English libretto by William M. Hoffman. The Metropolitan Opera had commissioned the work from Corigliano in 1980 in celebration of its 100th anniversary, with the premiere scheduled for 1983. Corigliano and Hoffman took as the starting point for the opera the play Le Mercouable by Pierre Beaumarchais. They took 7 years to complete the opera, past the initial deadline. The opera received its premiere on December 19, 1991, at the Metropolitan Opera, with the production directed by Colin Graham. The premiere run of 7 performances was sold out. The original cast included Teresa Stratas, Hakan Hadjigard, Renee Fleming, Graham Clark, Gino Quilico, and Marilyn Horne. The Metropolitan Opera revived the opera in the 1994-1995 season. Corigliano considers this work a grand opera buffa because it incorporates both elements of the grand opera style and the silliness of the opera buffa style. Commentators have noted how the opera satirizes and parodies accepted operatic conventions. Lyric Opera of Chicago staged the opera in the 1995-1996 season in the first performances outside of the Metropolitan Opera in a lightly revised version that cut some expensive aspects of the Met's production, including an onstage orchestra. In 2008, on Corigliano's recommendation, Opera Theatre of St. Louis and Wexford Festival Opera in Ireland engaged composer John David Ernest to rework the score for chamber orchestra to make it suitable for performances in small houses. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.